Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see blocked list on Snapchat. First you have to open Snapchat application on your device. Then at the top left side you will find your profile icon. Simply click on it, and from here at the top right side you will find the gear icon, and in here in the settings you just need to find block list from blocked user. Here it is, blocked user. Simply click on it. You will find the blocked user option in privacy control section, and here you will find all the people's listed, those who are blocked by you, who you blocked on the Snapchat. Those are listed in this section. You can unblock them by clicking on this X button here at the right side, then click on yes to confirm that you are unblocking them on your Snapchat account. That's how you can find the block list on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.